Hi, everybody. Happy New Year. I dressed up a little bit today because I never get the chance to anymore. So I'm feeling festive and I'm feeling like we're heading into a much better time after such a terrible year. So Happy New Year. I hope that your new year is off to a great start. It's the beginning of the month, so that means it's time for Best Buys, where I share the categories that are going to be the most deeply discounted this month. So, one big category that we see every January, and this has been happening since the 1800s, are white sales. And so, all of your home retailers will be offering great deals on bedding and bath items. Look for deals at Macy's and Bloomie's and Bed Bath and Beyond and independent brands as well. So, great deals there. And then the other big category is kind of the New Year, New You category. And I apologize for being cliche, but it is what it is. We often see a lot of deals around gym memberships, and we're not seeing that so much this year as so many of us are working out from home. So we'll be seeing deals on things like workout equipment and also recovery products, athletic apparel, and then lots of wellness products as well, like supplements and protein powders and hydration drinks and things like that. So lots of great deals in those categories, and also CBD. And you guys know that I love CBD so much, and I'm seeing lots of CBD brands offering discounts this month as well. So if you're looking to spruce up your bedroom and bathroom, you're in great shape. And then also if you're looking to do a little self-improvement, you'll be in great shape as well. At TrueTrade.com, you'll find dozens and dozens and dozens of deals in these categories, many of which are exclusive to me and of course to you. And that's it for the month. It's pretty simple this month, just two big categories that I wanted to share. I hope you find this helpful, and please let me know if there's anything else that you'd like to see me cover. Sign up for my bi-monthly newsletter at TrueTrade.com if you want to just be kept in the loop on timely saving strategies and tactics and tricks. And in the meantime, happy shopping.